It's not getting a lucky one. They're not getting holding it. But he feels this in the back. Here you go, Daddy.
Still running?
Yeah.
We have a cicada here on the ground.
And it's alive.
We've actually got some casings from the cicadas as they've come out of the ground to show you guys.
And then there's
But we found a live one here in the grass. So I'm going to show that to you guys. Right there.
I dare you to catch it.
So that's what they look like after they come out of
Sure.
these little casings. So, if you want to grab one out and we'll show your friends here. We'll show these peeps what it looks like.
Looks like a wasp. See, look.
Well, don't tip it out. Don't tip it out. Don't knock them out. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. Look at that.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do.
That's what their casing looks like. And you can see the crack in the top of it.
See, and look, they stick.
Yeah. Here, roll it over to the top so I can show them the top. And that crack in the top, they break the casing open, climb out.
Go.
And when they climb out, their wings spread and they look like that.
And we have a whole. Let's go show them over there.
All right, you want to show them? You want to show them how they stick to your shirt? What do we got here? Ambulance. Stay still. That's awesome. Creepy crawlers.
You want me to
That's
catch
cool,
it?
buddy.
Look, I'm gonna catch it.
Touch.
All
Alright, want to show them the... You're going to do what?
I put a cicada head in my mouth.
You put a cicada head in his mouth, he says.
I did it at school.
Did it at school?
Yeah. Because it's a dead cicada and I ripped its head off. And then including its eye.
Whoa. Okay. So we're down here in the cicada, what we'll call the cicada field. One came out of that hole, that hole, that hole,
And this
that
is where
hole,
we found
that hole, those two holes, those two holes, that one,
Hey,
this
I'm gonna
one,
keep these.
that
Ow!
one, this one. It's all in this.
Ow!
It's all in this dirt mound back here.
See, that
What hurt?
It stuck to my finger.
The cicada did?
Yeah.
That's silly. Did you ask him to let go nicely? Did you say please let go of me? Maybe that's why I wouldn't let go. I'm kidding. It's just their casing. They can't hear you. They don't know any better. Where's some other holes? We got a whole bunch here in the grass too. Let's see. Here's a couple more. Another one there. There's one right there by Katie's foot. There's a whole bunch back here.
Guys, look at this.
Everywhere. Whoa, what is that?
Bird. Look.
Is that a bird's feather? Whoop. Get it. Good catch.
Hey! It likes me.
That's cool.
I want to keep all these. Put it in here.
Okay, put it in the hat.
So this is my collection of outside stuff.
Outside stuff?
This guy.
There you go. Okay, right.
Look at them fall.
Yeah. Alright, let's see. We can find. I found a ball out here in its natural habitat.
That's our ball.
Oh, I found the cicada, by the way. He's right there, he moved.
Look! But I don't see him. I'm gonna trap him in my hat. Can you trap him?
Nice.
Daddy, can you trap him?
Cool.
Can you trap him? I'm gonna trap him.
Okay. And he's trapped with cicada casings. I'm not sure what the casings are called, if they have an actual scientific name or what.
Daddy, he likes my hat.
He does? Is he calling on your hat? You really like it? Because he's just chilling?
Yeah.
They're chilling?
Yeah. No, there's a white thing in my hat. There's a white thing in my hat. There's a white bug in my hat. Look. See, look, white bug. There's a white bug in my hat.
Look at this cicada. It's really cool.
Yeah.
Cool, he's not moving. Let me get a good shot.
I'm going around it. No, I'm not keeping it. This is a steer.
Huh. Really neat.
Look, that's the white bug.
Put my hand in here for scales and see if we can sit still for us. There's my pinky. Shows you a little bit of scale, how big or small he is, whatever you want to call it. He's not tiny, but he's not too big. Okay, he's going to put his pinky next to it. His hand. His pinky next.
I just touched his wing.
You did?
You did when you touched his wing. Hey.
Go for it. Touch his wing. Oh, no, don't push on it. Don't hit it hard, buddy.
Please.
Touch him nice.
I'm scared.
Gotta be nice to him. Don't be scared. Just lightly touch him.
Oh, I want to keep him.
Yeah, he moved.
It's cool.
Isn't that cool?
He likes to move.
Do you know how they make their sound? Can you hear the ones in the background? Look at him go.
He's cool. Look, there he goes, guys.
That's neat. Nature is awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know how they make that loud sound they make? They have a little vibrating membrane inside the back of their body.
Right there.
Yep, I'm not sure what it's called. I don't know the technical terms. I'm not a entomologist.
Look, I'm touching him.
But be nice. Touch him very gently.
Look, with my hat. Hey, look.
But
Here's a buddy.
their back end, whatever that's called, is hollow.
Yeah.
Like back there.
Oh, I can see
It's
lines.
hollow, and they have a membrane in there that they vibrate. and it vibrates inside there and echoes inside that hollow body, and it makes a loud sound. So, anywho, that's the excitement of the cicada. Go back. Oh, they make their noise. It's exciting.
You have a brand new pet, guys.
He or she, I don't know. I don't know if they even have a male and female. They just exist.
If it is a girl, we need to be extra careful. Right, Daddy? You gotta watch it. Why is that thing on you? He was right here, right, Daddy? I wonder how he crawls that fast.
Or if it feeds on the grass or something. Or if it's coming down to lay larvae in the ground, so that more cicadas will grow out of the ground, just like those holes we saw back there. That's how they get there. The adults lay larvae in the ground.
What do they have to
And
do?
the larvae somehow burrow down. Right?
Good job, Daddy. Get a good shot, guys. Oh, Daddy, I can do it. I can do it. Here.
That it's holding on to the grass. Look how it bundled the grass up. It actually bundled the grass to hold on to it.
Get a good shot, guys.
Touching my hand.
Can I try? Hey, can I try?
It is literally just grabbing onto the grass.
Can I try, Dada?
I don't know if everybody can see that. It seriously has like it's bundled the grass up in its legs. Oh, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes.
What?
It just did it. It's crawling away.
Daddy, put it in here,
It tickles so much, Katie.
Does it
Oh my
hurt?
gosh.
Does that hurt?
No, but it feels funny because I can feel it like grabbing my fingers like it did the grass. Oh my gosh.
Come on, little cicada.
It's not good.
Just put it in right here and then you can crawl down.
So
I wanted to keep it as a pet.
yeah, we're not going to keep it as a pet. You want to put it on your hand? You want to try it?
Is it scary?
No. Kind of tickles. I have no idea how to make it move to get onto your hand. There you go. Yeah, just lightly touch it. Don't make it fall. Yeah,
It touched me!
oh, yeah. You wanted it on your hand, right?
Yeah. I wanted
Put
to
your hand out. Put your hand out. It wants to crawl away. There you go. Just touch its back end a little bit. Make it crawl. There you go.
Whoa!
It tickles.
Yeah!
It tickles.
It tickled!
Careful, don't fling it away or anything. Is that cool? What do you think?
Is it good? Get it out me! It tickles!
Don't scream.
Get it out me! It's crawling on my arm! Get it out me!
Don't scream, don't scream. He likes you. Or she. It likes you. Oh my god.
Get it out me! Don't get it out me! It tickles!
Just put your hand down. Put your arm down in the grass. See if it knows where the grass is. Oh, it really wants to climb up your arm.
Pick it up!
It's going up your arm.
It really liked me.
Yeah, it did.
It was grabbing at my arm.
Yeah. You just picked it up and pulled it right off. Did he poop on you? I'm kidding. I don't know if they poop or not. Oh, that was funny. That was exciting.
It wanted to climb up my arm. I think it really liked me.
That was awesome.
It liked me.
I think so.
You you to have seen that awesome run. I almost got out right at first. But I missed me, and I won. Because I have 3, he has 0. That is what you call a close call.